Sun in Taurus, in the sixth house, the cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the sixth house, you are here to master the physical world one day at a time. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of steady quality, and the sixth house rules your daily work, health habits, and service. When these grounded forces combine, your life purpose becomes centered around your daily rhythm. You aren't here to rush through your chores or live a chaotic, unpredictable life. You are here to establish beautiful routines, cultivate physical well-being, and bring a deep sense of craftsmanship and pride to the practical work you do every single day. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your unshakable daily consistency. Because the sixth house governs your habits, your Taurus drive makes you an absolute rock when it comes to execution. You possess a rare, instinctual patience that allows you to handle repetitive tasks with absolute focus and quality. You don't take shortcuts, and people deeply respect you for your reliability. Whether you're building a fitness routine, managing a project, or helping a colleague, you do it with a calm, grounded efficiency. You are the ultimate anchor that keeps the daily systems running flawlessly. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But a steady rhythm can easily turn into a paralyzing rut. Your biggest challenge is extreme resistance to changing your daily schedule. Because you find safety in predictability, you might stay in a toxic job or maintain unhealthy habits simply because the thought of changing your routine causes you intense anxiety. You can become hypercritical of others who don't work as hard as you, or completely burn your body out by refusing to take a break from your strict checklist. Your cosmic lesson is to learn flexibility. You must realize that true stability allows room for life to throw surprises at you without breaking your spirit. Ultimately, you are here to show the world the beauty of dedication and the power of a grounded life. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the sixth house. See you in the next breakdown.